Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is about text to path and how to figure out how long your path is or how big your word can be or amount of words. Somebody sent me an email, they have a curved line, and instead of, and I still have my hotkey a W text to path, instead of keep doing that over and over until you get to the end of your path, all you need to do is take your line and go up to Windows, down to Dockers, up to Properties, and hit this right here. It's going to tell you that that curve is 62.15. So take your text with this lock so it'll grow, and I think it was, I can't remember how long it was, 62.15, 62.15. And then I still have my hotkey from W, and now my text is the whole length of the path. This will work on anything. You know, let's just take, let's take a circle, an ellipse. We have to convert it to a curve for this to work, and you see that automatically comes up. And this curve is 86.23. So we can make our text with a ratio lock 86.23. Now I still have my W on my hotkey, which has ended up being really nice. And now I have a text on a curve. Now it put it on the inside. Why did it do that? It's because my curve is going the wrong direction. The arrow is going left to right. So grab all your nodes, right click, and put reverse subpath. Now my arrow's going the right direction, and we can hit my W, and now I have text to path. Now it did start it on the bottom, and because I used the exact length, my two words are really too close together, but you're still in text to path, so you can actually grow that outwardly, and that'll put a space, or it should have. I guess you really have to use one of the, I always get confused which one this is. This is making it away from the object, so now I have a space between my words. Now, then it all depends on where you want this to start. The easiest thing for me to do would be to grab it all, because we're still in text to path mode, go up to Object and break text apart, or Control K, and just rotate this guy till you get that wherever you want it, however you think it ought to start. It's kind of a, you want it to start at the top, you want it to start at the left, you know, that's neither here nor there. But that way you can make your, and if you wanted it right on the path, then you just make your text not quite as long. Let's just do that real quick. That might make more sense. If you remember, I'm having to back up here quite a bit. Sorry about that. Remember we had 86.23, well, let's make it 84. And now we can hit my W, and now we have a space between the words. But because I backed up too far, I backed up where this is backwards again, so select them all, right click, reverse subpath, take it all in. If you don't know what the W is, it's the hotkey I made for putting text to path. Now you have the space between the two words. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.